picked up this, well, I'm going to probably butcher the brand name, but I've always known it as Desoutter. Whether that's correct pronunciation or not, I don't know. But anyway, a British brand, always made top quality air tools, normally pretty expensive. But anyway, this is a little die grinder. There's the little tip in there I've got off at the moment. Very small collet. Instantly in with the box were a couple of little needle pin chucks by Clips, rather nice little ones. One of the chucks is broken, but anyway, and it's in pretty good condition. Looking at the outside of it, I don't know if you can see the brand name on there, but there is the model. I've stuck an air blower on it just to see if it works, and she rips. I will probably endeavour to take it apart and give it a clean. I've got no idea what it's like inside, but I wanted to see if it did actually spin up by air power, and it did. Really did. Amazingly quiet. Normally I expect, you know, like air grinders and that kind of stuff, they howl. And this thing only howled because of the speed it was doing. It was not through the air whistling, it was just the RPM it was doing. I'm just trying to work out what thread that is on the end, and I can't work out. But I think I've got down to about 3/8 Whitworth. Anyway, I'm going to make a fitting for that. Right, so I was going to make the airline connector for this, and I've decided I was going to use a bit of nylon pipe. Right, at this point my SD card freaked out, so I'm going to have to talk you through this bit. The airline is 8mm, and the red fitting down there connects two airlines together. Or in my case, I'm going to use the fitting to connect directly onto the air tool. Now it's quick release, so it's quite easy to push on and push off, and they've got like O-ring seals inside, so they're simple to use. And the blue fitting, that's for the other end, and I'm going to connect that up to a PCL airline coupling. So machining operations, I've got some brass stock. I'm going to put a 13mm hex, then I'm going to machine down an 8mm connection for the airline, drill a hole in it, and then thread the other end. So let's get on with it. Right, I can actually talk to you on video now. I haven't got any interruptions. So, you've seen me make this into 13mm hex, and it is exactly 13mm. Wow, chuffed. I was that's what I was aiming for, but with me it's always a bit anyway. 13mm, and I checked it with a spanner as well, because I was a bit unsure whether, because 13mm nuts are never quite 13, they're always about 12.8, 12.9. So anyway, 13mm 13mm spanner fits on there nicely. So now I need to turn down the first 20mm down to 8mm, which is the same size as the nylon pipe, which I'm sure I've voiced over and explained. And that should give me a little bit more room to then be able to discouple that connector. Now, I am hoping, of course, that the barbs on the self-gripping thing will be able to grip onto this brass. I'm sure it will. As you can see, my lathe is lovely and clean at the moment, and I've got no idea which order all the videos that I've been making recently are going to come out. But one of them was obviously on cleaning bits of this up. And I don't think you're going to be able to see it. No, just off the screen here. Oh no, tell a lie, that's it there. I'll put a tin cover on the back of the cross slide. Anyway, so since I've cleaned this up, this is the first one that first time I've used it. So I'm using the CTM09 tips, which are meant for aluminium, but I find they work really well on brass as well. Quite a high rake on them. So let's get that roughly. I've marked 20mm on there. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Possibly not. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, you can see some of the marks on there. I've just scribed each one, so I don't know whether I'll be able to see that or not when it's running. Let's have a quick look, shall we? Oh yeah. 8.9mm. Right, okay, so I might just try that. Yep, okay. Yeah, I want to see if this will pull off. It goes on there nicely. Yeah, I can't pull that off, so that's good. I'm alright with that. Obviously, because if I want to convert this to go inside the yellow nylon pipe, if I drill a hole that's too large, I can't do that. But, so I can't physically pull that off, so that's good enough. So I can drill this hole. I'll do this, drill the hole now. Done. Right. Don't know if you can see down in here or not. Let's see if I can get it's a bit lower. There we are. You can see the little round shiny bit. There's like a nipple that sticks up inside. That's 9mm below the surface, the top here. So that I think is my maximum depth. If I screwed it in with a small hole, obviously it would blank that hole off, but on the other end I'm going to put quite a taper leading into the thread on the inside. But my thread can't be any deeper than 9mm. So, and I'm going to put a square edge on it anyway, so if need be, I can put a copper washer on it to seal the fitting. Right, so I've levelled the tip of my drill with the face of the part, and I want to know how far I need to go. Don't really want to be drilling out more than I need to. So parting blade's about yay big, isn't it, at least? So that should easily cover that up. So about 46 mil, 46.5 mil. So I've got the on the shaft of my tailstock, it's got graduations in millimetre, so I know how far to go in. I will say at this point I've made a mistake, because I didn't really need to hex this bloody long. No way do I need that long. So I could take this down a lot less. And I think the shorter the better. It doesn't need to be that long. There's a fattish 13mm spanner on there. And I'm probably going to end up with nearly 10mm hanging out. Right, spanner is 7.2mm. So let's just bring that up. Yeah, about 8mm. That'll do.